Hello everyone, again welcome. Today we are sharing some amazing and beautiful designs of amazing crochet, handcrafted, beautiful materials and sustainable ideas, cozy, amazing crafting ideas for everyone who wants to create something new and different for their homes and daily art. It's a project of beautiful crafts, it's a beautiful. Now let's talk about crochet with care, mindfulness, sustainability, and crafting benefits. Because we have explored we will explore how the simple art of crochet is not just a craft but a mindful journey, a sustainable practice, and a beautiful way to express care for yourself, your family, and your planet. So grab your yarn, settle into your cozy corner, and let's begin the thoughtful crafting experience together. Crochet is more than loops and stitches. It's rhythm of peace, each motion and connect your hands to your heart, allowing your mind to slow down. With every pattern, you create something unique, something filled with patience, love, and creativity. When you crochet with intentions, you are not just making art, you are nurturing your inner calm. Every crochet piece carries emotion, a blanket stitch, wall hanging for warmth, a scarf for love, a toy for a child's smile, a wall hanging for your home peace. Crocheting teaches us the importance of care for the people we create, for the time we invest, and for the materials we choose. It's a gentle reminder that the best things in life take time and attention. Through crafting, we learn to pause, breathe, and appreciate the process instead of rushing toward results. Crochet helps calms the mind, reduce stress, and increase focus. The repetitive motion becomes a form of meditation, a mindful rhythm that quiets your thoughts. When you sit with your yarn, you become fully present, feeling the texture, watching the colors blend, and hearing the soft sound of the hook moving through loops. This mindful crafting can ease anxiety, lower heart rate, and brings a sense of peace after a busy day. Even children benefit. Crochet helps develop patience, fine motor skills, and creative thinking. Crochet encourages sustainability. Instead of buying new, we reuse, transforming old yarn, fabric scraps, or reused unused clothing into something new and meaningful. It reduces. It's eco-friendly creativity, a beautiful way to reduce waste and promote mindful living. You can make reusable items like bags, coasters, trees, wall hanging, ornaments, reduce waste and promote mindful living. You can make reusable items like bag, coaster, washed clothes, or even decor. Decor items are very famous. Each handmade piece saves resources and tells a story, your story. Crocheting slowly reminds us that beauty takes time and that sustainability begins with simple, caring choices. Crochet disconnects generation. It's an art passed down from grandmothers to mothers, from mothers to daughters, a language of love woven through time. When families sit together and crochet, they share stories, laughter, and mindfulness, creating not just crafts but memories. Crochet circles, online or in person, also build communities, people from all over the world connected by one thread. So, next time you pick up your yarn, remember you are not just crafting, you are creating, caring, sustainability, and nurturing mindfulness in every stitch. Thank you, be a part of this journey. Thank you for joining this cozy movement of creativity. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mindful crafts, ideas, and handmade inspiration. Until next time, keep Keep crafting with care. if you want to if you want to watch more designs like this, these are very interesting and unique, very beautiful, and hope you enjoying these crafting and crocheting ideas. Thank you for watching.